This tribe is a Nguni tribe of Zambia and Tanzania. These Nguni groups came from South Africa under King Zwangendaba. King Zwangendaba led his nation to Zambia and Tanzania. King Zwangendaba was from the Ndwandwe, just like King Soshangane Nxumalo kaZikode and Nkosi Nxaba. And not to forget that Mzilikazi Mashobana was also a high-ranking warrior under the Ndwandwe. This is a powerful reminder that from the Ndwandwe kingdom Abasekudunkomo, many nations were formed. Amandebele, Amashangane under King Soshangane, the Zwangendabas in Zambia and Tanzania led by King Zwangendaba. And in 2026, the Zwangendabas in Zambia and Tanzania will be celebrating the Ncwala celebration. May it be filled with joy and safety as they remember their roots in South Africa. Abasekudunkomo, Ondwandwe, thank you for watching. I am Bantu Basin, Inkosi Yamashangane, abahlasela amaPutukezi.